Where's my face? Ay, wala. Okay. So hi guys. Um, Welcome to my channel, and in this video I am going to show you the latest update on the POS application, and the next part is to create the mobile app of the POS application. So we want our users, or specifically the cashier and the manager, to access the application in their mobile app, and I'm just gonna quickly show you my progress. So okay, um, I'm just gonna delete those weird characters. Actually, my kid played with my keyboard earlier, and that is why. Alright, so we are going to run the POS mobile, and that is npm start. Next is the backend. We are also going to run it. And so I'm trying to figure out how can I show you the emulator. And so what I need to do is gonna click I. I'm gonna press I to open the iOS simulator so that we can look and see the latest progress of the application. So we just have to wait a little bit. This will install Expo Go application on the iOS simulator. And alright, there you go. Okay. Nice. So what we can do is log in with our cashier user, and as you can see in here, we can see the request, and the cashier can only see the sales page or the sales screen. Now if we log out and log in with our admin user, you'll see in here that we have this navigation bar at the bottom. So that's the sales screen, the products screen, the order screen, and the inventory screen, and the settings with the logout functionality and the dashboard. So what I'm going to do is I'll open the cursor application, and I will simply allow the model to work on the API integrations for the screen. So I just want to be clear, everything in here in the Expo app is AI generated from the start. Actually, the web application, the backend, we've used AI, and I haven't really written a single line of code. So this is purely agentic coding. And so right now, the next thing I'm going to do is tell it to integrate the products screen. So in the POS mobile folder, integrate the API endpoints for the products screen. And now it will actually just work on it and integrate the API endpoints, and I'll just wait for it to finish, and I'll test it out. And that is the main um, yeah, that's the main process that we're doing. Just giving a prompt, check the code, test the output, and iterate again, make edits, fix bugs, all in agentic mode. So yeah, you just have to wait and look at the products when it's integrated. Okay. So I'm just gonna quickly show you guys that our application is integrated for this, and yeah, I'm just gonna show you. So I will log in as admin, and we are going to check the sales. Yeah, we still have this bug, we need to fix that bug. Okay, we have some problem there. Okay, never mind. We are going to check our orders. Go back to dashboard and check our products. We have iced mocha, mini cone, cafe latte. Oh, yeah, let's edit that wrong spelling. And yeah, now let's check if it's the same. Okay, what happens if we edit and save it? Will that work? Refresh the page. It worked. Nice, very nice. Let's delete, and let's check if it is okay. It didn't update the products screen, so that's good, that's fine. Now what I'm going to do is tell the agent to tell the model to, sorry about that, I just want to close all this. Okay, and yeah, so I'm going to say that in the orders page, add a refresh products action when screen is pulled down. So whenever the admin updates the product, it reflects to the orders, to the product screen. So yeah, we have to be careful, and I'm wrong on this one. So in the products screen, add a refresh products action when screen is pulled down. So whenever that okay. All right, let's try that one. So if we pull this down, it should automatically pull the, yeah, load new products right there. Very good, very nice. Okay, okay, all right. Let's okay. Product name is Choco Late Sunday Small or 8OZ. And that is 130, something like that. And we don't have it here. Refresh the page and we have it there. Alright, nice. Next would be, that is very good. Very good. Let's do another update. Let's say this is hot date product, and let's check on the mobile. Yeah, that works. Very good, very nice. Let's add a product. Okay, product is iced Spanish latte, 12 ounce. OZ, price is 150, cost is 80, optional. uh, Save it, and let's check our refresh our page. Alright, that worked very nice. Okay, okay, that's great. Let's check if the filtering works. Now we are going to integrate the orders page. Okay, in the orders screen, integrate the API endpoints to see all orders. Apply the same filters and components from POS web, which are back to dashboard, orders which are filtered by product drop down component. Next is quick date filters, which is today, this week, this month, and date from date to. Okay, now I'm just gonna allow the model to really just work on it and create the application for me. It's easy, so easy. But let me just tell you guys that I'm using Cursor Pro, and the pricing for this one is $20 per month. That is in peso. That's 1,175. And yeah, I'm able to use the auto. But if I want to change, I can select which model I want. But yeah, I just want auto. It's a it works for me in this project, and yeah, I'm not gonna change it for now. We'll see in the future, but yeah, it's good. Alright, it's done, and let's check the mobile app if it is up right there. Yeah, there's a lot of hmm, that is weird. It's trying to open up this, yeah, this what do you call like a drop up component now. Okay, so today, this week, clear filters. Alright, so okay. Now we have a UI problem because how can I use and see all the products if it's taking all the space? So what I'm going to do is take a screenshot of that screen and properly explain to the model what needs to do. Wrap. I want to wrap the filter, the entire filter component container, that it can be opened or closed by a filter icon. So, and then I'm also going to say that so because this is mainly what do you call this, like layout issue, so I'm gonna make it layout updates. So first of all is this search order, and then buttons, filter buttons, set filter icon here, and then orders. The important part is the orders container. It needs to be more clearly seen in the screen compared to the filter section. Okay, so of course the way you use the model, the way you give it a prompt is also a very important thing. Honestly, I myself is trying to just learn it, trying to improve it all along the way. But yes, we have to uh, improve our prompt engineering as well to help our model do what we want, especially styling, especially UI. Yeah, it's very important. Right now, let's just see. Oops, a lot of access token issue here. Yeah, this works. Yeah, um, we have to lag out. This is bad. We're gonna need to fix that. But for now, let's not worry about it. Okay, very nice. All right, it works. Very nice. Okay, open paid void orders. Okay, that works. Okay. Okay. We're gonna, yeah. Mm-hmm. That's good enough for now. Let's move on to inventory. Okay. In the inventory screen, connect the API integrations for okay. It's my prompt engineering is not the best, but I expect it to already know the context because it's already here. It has access to all the repositories, which is the POS web, backend, and mobile. So we already have a history when we integrated the API on the POS web, and because of that, I'm confident. And based on our recent conversation, where we started from the sales screen, the product screen, and the order screen, I'm confident that it will already check and know where and what code for the inventory screen. It will know what endpoints are important to integrate in here, and that way, yeah, I don't have to really spend a lot of time on the prompt because I'm positive and confident based on the context and the history of the conversation. All right. Okay, I see. So let's try to double check our inventory. We have 3 in here, and let's check if it knows what to do. Say 20. Let's say 20. Okay, that works. Let's refresh. And yeah, okay, now what we're going to do is huh um hmm it's a little bit different. Mm-hmm. Okay, we're gonna tell it to remove the plus and the minus buttons. Remove. Okay, I'm gonna take a screenshot, and I'm going to tell it to remove the plus and minus buttons in the product in each inventory. if the edit flow should be, if the user clicks edit, then open a model with the product inventory, and they can add or subtract in that edit model. Cancel reverts the changes, save, submits, and updates the changes. Add these buttons. So, yeah. Alright. Okay. Just going to sit, guys. Ah. Okay. Alright. Okay. We are not going to worry a lot on the how it looks, but yeah, quantity threshold is 50. Okay. Oops, what happened? Add a label for the threshold input field. What's the spelling for label? Okay, but let's check if that works. So we have 50 in here. Refresh. Okay, 50 and 50. We're gonna edit. We're gonna do 60 and 50. Save it and refresh. That worked. Alright, now let's going to update it in the dashboard and double check in our application. Yes, it updates it. That work. Now we're gonna try to edit it again. Yeah. Okay. Add the same plus and minus buttons for threshold field. So okay, let's say 30. Well, 20. Save that. Refresh on the web app. That work. And then 30. Does this work? Yeah. Save it. Alright. Very nice. That's great. Okay. Let's check our stocks if it works. Let's go and make what was that? Iced mocha. Iced mocha stock is 40. Is that correct just now? Huh. We might have a bug in there. Okay. Let's just double check. Let's log in as cashier and let's double check that is correct. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Let's yeah, we still have a few things to update in here. hmm Okay, now we have a bug, and so what I'm going to do is take a screenshot in the cashier sales screen. Does not let me check out. Please fix this error on create and order finalize func. It's not a function. So this used to work last night when I tested this out. So something happened along the way. Not sure why AI would the AI is struggling on that part, but yeah, it shouldn't have made any changes in the sales screen. We didn't do anything there. So, okay. What's this? I see. Okay. So, it created the checkout functionality based on what it knows. But okay, that's fine. Okay, all good. Now let's log out and double check that transaction right now, just now I mean, and let's check in the orders page. Alright, here it is. Now one last thing is the dashboard. Please integrate the endpoints for the dashboard screen. Okay, close all of it. Okay, alright, so you just have to wait. It's the one last screen we need to integrate today. And so I just want to say, guys, that I started the mobile app work last night for about, let's say, 2 hours. And as I said, it's mainly um, agentic coding. I just really prompted all my way since from the beginning, and this is my conversation last night, and it created everything for me. And my strategy was to let the model create all the screens first, the login screen, the sign up screen, the all the screen and the bottom navigation, the cashier only screen, which is the sales screen where they can check out the products, sorry, the transaction. And once every single screen is ready, then I slowly prompted my way to integrate every single endpoint, just like what we did today. And so now, for 35 minutes, I think, yeah, we've integrated the sales screen, the products, the orders, the inventory, and of course, we're still not carrying a lot of the UI. Of course, it can improve along the way. We will improve it, but yeah, this is looking good. I say that this has allowed me to be really productive, although it's so lazy. Yeah, just we're gonna, you know, if we coded all of these on our own without AI, it would take weeks. To be honest, you're talking about POS backend, mobile, and web, every single thing. And so, yeah, this will help us to finish this MVP in a few days, and Let's check 2695. We also have the notification here. Move back to the dashboard. 2695. Open orders today. That is good. That is very good. Very nice. All right, and yeah, that's it, guys. The next thing would be to do a little bit more cleanup and to publish this in Google Play Store. And the reason why I said Google Play Store, because I've registered to the program last night. I've paid 1,000 1k plus pesos, so I can publish apps on Google Play. I will publish this in Google Play. I will also push the code in GitHub, and hopefully this month or next month we can use it in the store. One of the things that I'm really excited is actually push notification, and in the next video we're gonna do a lot of cleanup. We're gonna do push notifications as well, but for now we're gonna finish this video. It's 37 minutes now. This is gonna be my first longest video on YouTube, and yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video. Bye.